We are riding a Harley 114 Trike. If you couldn't tell, it's a three-wheeler. And I've never ridden one before. Well, I technically have, because I did a little figure eight thing test for them to show that I could actually ride it. So I'm about to take it on the street. And yeah, I mean, I've never ridden one, so I just wanted to give it a shot, see what it feels like, see what all the rave is about this Trike life, you know. So I just wanted to give it a shot. I mean, it looks pretty cool. The wheels are really nice. Got the two-tone chrome and black inserts. Very nice. Got a pretty big badonk-a-donk back here. Whoop. Alrighty. This feels a little different because I got a big old trunk behind me. Got them wide hips, you know. I don't know what my audience is watching this. If I'm super cringe, I am sorry, but it's just, I don't know. That's what I think of when I see these big old tires behind me. I'm just thinking of a big old wide hip lady, and that can be attractive, you know. But I like the non-stress of just sitting, you know, on a trike and not having to worry about the whole, you know, am I gonna fall? Man, this thing is real bouncy. Oh man, it feels very kind of unstable. I don't know, it just seems very wobbly. Which is probably normal. I mean, it's not anything against the bike. It's just, you know, it's a trike. So it's gonna feel a little, not as planted as a car, obviously, and then it's just gonna feel different from a two-wheeler. Yeah! We're going fast on this group ride. It's typically not this fast. Or this thing is just slow. That could be it too. But out on the road, I mean, I don't know, it's nice. I'm out on the road and I'm not worried about, oh, am I gonna fall? You know, I'm cruising out in the weather like you would on a normal bike. But it feels like a road glide motorcycle. It's got the same vibe, the same feel, just the only difference. And when I say same vibe, same feel, I mean like control-wise, it has the same controls as a road glide, and so the only thing that's different is the extra wheel. You know, if you're worried about tipping a bike over, or whatever reason you're worried about riding a motorcycle, you could definitely get away with this and still feel part of the group of a whole bunch of other motorcyclists. So I think that would be okay. I keep top ending it. I never really got the feeling that it was gonna tip per se. However, if you're flying around a corner, you would probably tip. Oh, and then slow speeds, man, I'm really shaking right here. I don't know if that's me or what. Golly, it was very shaky right there. I don't know how I want to pull in here. I guess probably that. Let's see how I want to go about this. Awesome.
Look like you've been riding it forever. That's what the guy will go said. That kid riding that Trike looks like he's ridden one forever. I said, get really good on the figure eights. I know that.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
How you like it?
It's different.
Yeah, it is different. Yeah.
It's really shaky at slow speeds, though, kind of.
Yeah, they got the stabilizer bar. It's still kind of wobbly. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're kind of like this too.
Yeah.
You know, because the rear, it's a straight axle on the rear, so they're kind of like, you know, they wiggle and do all that stuff.
I mean, once you get going, though,
it's smooth.
It's normal.
It's smooth.
Yeah. That's fun, though.
Yeah, they're a lot of fun.